Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cake using yummy biscuits. First, let's prepare our main ingredient, the biscuits. You'll need approximately 200 grams of your preferred variety. Place them into a food processor or a strong Ziploc bag. Then, crush them thoroughly until they become fine crumbs. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth and consistent cake base, so make sure there are no large pieces left behind. Now that our biscuits are perfectly crushed, it's time to form the cake base. Gently melt about 100 grams of unsalted butter. Once melted, pour it over your biscuit crumbs in a mixing bowl. Stir well to combine everything evenly. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, one at a time, until the mixture holds together. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into a 9-inch springform pan, creating a compact base. With our biscuit base ready, let's add a delightful creamy layer. In a separate bowl, whip 250 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. Then, gently fold in 100 grams of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Carefully spread this luscious cream mixture evenly over your biscuit base. Once complete, place the cake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, allowing it to set beautifully. Finally, it's time for the exciting part, decorating and serving your magnificent biscuit cake. Carefully remove the chilled cake from the springform pan. Now, let your creativity shine. You can decorate it with chocolate shavings, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or some vibrant fresh fruit like berries. Slice the cake into 8 to 10 generous portions. Serve this delightful, no-bake treat immediately and enjoy the wonderful flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.